4 Simple Secrets to Effective Visualization. If you're serious about building a happy, successful life, you'll want to know more about visualization. Successful entrepreneurs and elite athletes have known for decades that a regular visualization practice can give them the edge in achieving their goals and coming out on top. You may not realize that a key element of the law of attraction is being able to clearly imagine what you want more of in your life. Here are 4 secret sauce ways you can use visualization to manifest your dream life. 1. Relax your mind. Visualization isn't something you fit in on your way to the store. It works best if you have a calm, open mind. You can find some quiet space in your day where you can be uninterrupted and just sit with your vision for a time. When your body and mind are relaxed, you can focus on what it is you really want to achieve. When you wake up and right before you go to sleep are the perfect times to practice visualization. You're already relaxed. You're not likely to be distracted or interrupted, and you can slide into your beautiful vision of success. 2. Taste your visualization. Not just taste, but hear, see, and smell your success. Amp up your visualization by using all your senses to imagine your future life. Build the scene in your mind and list all the things you can see. What are your surroundings like? What can you hear? What good smells are in your new life? Maybe you're wearing your favorite perfume. What are you wearing? How does it feel? Imagine yourself in a gourmet restaurant with your loved one. What do you order? Visualize lifting the fork to your mouth and reveling in the taste. 3. Make your vision heart-centered. Make your visualization even more realistic by imagining all your feelings about living in your future successful life. Are you happy? Is it fun? Are you and your family proud of your new life? 4. Make visualization a habit. Like exercise or eating a healthful diet, visualization works best if you develop a habit of doing it often and doing it right. Building your visualization muscle will work best if you associate it with doing something you already do without thinking. That's why visualization practice before you get out of bed in the morning and before you go to sleep at night is really effective. You build the habit without making it an extra in your day.